Welcome to the NIDS, where we shape the next generation of digital warriors. Are you ready to unlock one of the most powerful tools in the tech world? Say hello to Linux, the operating system that powers everything from supercomputers to smartphones. 1. What is Linux? Linux is more than just an operating system, it's the backbone of modern IT infrastructure. From hosting websites to running global networks, Linux is everywhere. And the best part? It's open source, powerful, and free. 2. Why students should learn Linux? Still wondering why you should learn Linux? Here's why. 1. High demand. Over 70% of employers in IT and cybersecurity demand Linux skills. 2. Versatility. Use it for hacking, networking, coding, or cloud computing. 3. Career growth. Get certified and unlock high-paying jobs. 4. Freedom to learn, experiment, code, break, and rebuild all in a safe, free environment. 3. What you'll learn at NIDS. At NIDS, our Linux curriculum is designed by experts for students. Here's what you'll master. 1. Linux installation and command line. 2. User and file management. 3. Bash scripting for networking and firewall configuration. 5. Linux for ethical hacking. 6. Real-world lab projects. 7. Preparation for CompTIA Linux Plus, RHCSA, and more. For real student benefits. When you join NIDS, you're not just learning, you're building your future. We offer live training sessions, lifetime access to course materials, resume and career support, certification and internship opportunities, community of like-minded learners. Don't wait for the future, create it. Join the NIDS Linux training program today and become the tech leader the world needs. Enroll now at www.thenids.in. Follow us on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn. NIDS, empowering digital dreams.